Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I don't know
Subscribe
how
to
much,
this channel and press like.
but I tell you,
you'll be able to get
it
notifications.
is a wicked parent
Okay, we love you guys.
like Obi given the opportunity to feed his children, invest in tomorrow on their behalf, and hold money in his hand while the children starve and go to bed hungry. That is Obi wickedness. It is true that the heartless governor will hold back money when hungry school children, roads and clinics went into disrepair. Neither the city dweller nor farmer prospers during such a time. In the end, he received to save the people because he preferred to save the money. And he claimed to be a party labor. Is that labor? Is that labor? You will have to be laboring under a terrible delusion if you think he will do a better job for this nation than he did for Anambra State. What is there to be proud of after Obi left? Obi has nothing to be proud of. Instead, Obi moved, left Anambra crying. He moved to Lagos. Obi